Hi, this is Carrie and I will be solving a motion problem today. And here's my question. So for problem A, we'll be finding the speed of the particle at time t equals 3 and find the acceleration vector of the particle at t equals 3. And to find the speed of that particle, we need to know this formula right here. Speed equals x prime t squared and y prime t squared. And in the problem, we know dx dt equals 4t plus 1 and dy dt equals sine t squared. So that is technically our x prime and t prime. Y prime. So when t equals 3, we can plug it in and we get x prime equals 13 and y prime equals 0.412. And we use that to find our speed, which is square root 13 squared plus 0.412 squared, and that is 13.007. So to find the acceleration vector at time equals 3, we need to know the second derivative of both x and y. And here, from the x prime, we know the x double prime is 4, and y double prime is 2t times cosine t squared. And at t equals 3, we use a calculator to find x double prime is 4 and y double prime is negative 5.467. So the acceleration vector is 4, negative 5.467. In question B, it let us find the slope of the line tangent to the path of a particle at time t equals 3. And to find the slope, we know slope is dy over dx. In the question, here we got dy over dt and dx over dt, so we divide them and we will get dy over dx. So the slope is equals to dy over dx, which is sine t squared over 4t plus 1, and we find when t equals 3, which is, the answer is 0.032. So the slope of a tangent line is 0.032. In C, it asks the position of a particle at t equals 3. So to find the position, we need to know the x coordinate and y coordinate of that point. So x3, we should use the formula x3 equals x0 plus integral 0 to 3 dx dt times dt, and we plug the numbers in, we'll get 21. And the same thing in y, y3 equals y0 plus integral 0 to 3 dy dt times dt, and in the question, y0 is negative 4, so negative 4 plus 0.774, which is negative 3.226. So the position at t equals 3 is 21, negative 3.226. D, find the total distance traveled by the particle over the time interval 0 to 3. So to find the distance traveled by the particle, we know we can use the integral of the velocity to find that. And we know the integral limits are 0 and 3. So here, distance will equal to integral 0 to 3 v times dt. And we know v is square root of dx dt squared plus dy dt squared. And so we plug dx dt and dy dt in, and we got that. and use the calculator to find the result, and the distance is equals to 21.091.